In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a background image in Google Docs. Whether you're aiming to create an eye-catching document or simply want to personalize your workspace, adding a background image can enhance the visual appeal of your document. Let's dive into this process, which is straightforward and requires only a few steps to complete. We begin by accessing Google Docs through your Google Drive. If you haven't already, head over to your Google Drive account. From here, look for the New button, usually on the top left corner of your screen. Go ahead and click on this button to see a drop-down menu where you will select Google Docs. This will open a new document where we'll be adding our background image. Now with your Google document open, it's time to start the process of inserting the background image. Go to the toolbar at the top and click on the Insert menu. This is where you'll find various options to enhance your document. But for our purpose, we're focusing on the Page Elements section. Once you click on Page Elements, you will see several options, including the header and footer elements. What we're interested in here is the watermark option. This feature enables the addition of images as backgrounds effectively. Once you click on watermark, a sidebar should appear on the right of your screen displaying options for watermark text and image details. Here, you'll find the Select Image button. Clicking it will prompt you to browse your computer for the image you want to use as your document's background. Choose your desired image and confirm the selection. After your image is uploaded, you might notice options to customize its appearance. You can adjust the image to fit your artistic vision by formatting it. This includes resizing it to cover the entire page or making slight adjustments in terms of transparency if you'd prefer a faded background. Additionally, if you want to change the image position, you can explore the position settings or experiment with quick layouts to find what best suits your needs. If you're looking for further customization, head to Size and Rotation to modify the size or even rotate your image. Furthermore, on the right side, you'll find an option named Recolor, allowing different color adjustments to ensure the image blends seamlessly with your document's theme. Don't hesitate to make the necessary adjustments until you're satisfied with the final look. Finally, your background image is in place. If you ever decide you'd like to remove the background image, simply navigate back to the Insert menu, select Watermark, and click on Remove Background located in the Options tab. And there you have it. Now, you've successfully learned how to add a background image to your Google Docs. Enjoy experimenting with different images and customizations to create documents that truly stand out. Thanks for watching and happy document editing.